Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials, your Apple ID credentials, and a charged watch on its charger. Once done, use the paired iPhone first because it's fastest and preserves backups. On the iPhone, open the Watch app, tap General, then Reset, and choose Erase Apple Watch content and settings. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID to disable activation lock. Make sure you type it accurately. This step wipes the passcode by erasing the watch and prepares it for restore. If the paired iPhone isn't available, you can erase the watch directly while it's on its charger. You press and hold the side button until the power options appear. Then press and hold the power off slider until the Erase All Content and Settings option appears. Tap it and confirm. This action removes the passcode by wiping the device. Make sure you remember the Apple ID used with the watch, because during setup, you will be required to sign in to remove activation lock and restore backups. Once the watch is erased, pair it to your iPhone and follow on-screen instructions to restore from an iCloud or iPhone backup. This returns settings and data, but not the old passcode. Make sure to sign in with the original Apple ID to remove activation lock. Without it, the watch remains unusable. If you can't access that Apple ID, stop and gather proof of purchase and owner ID, then contact Apple support for ownership verification. That's the only route to regain full use if activation lock blocks you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.